This is a really exciting day because we're out here at Assembly in Doraville waiting for the General Motors plant lettering from the front of the building to come back home. I was researching the history of the site for a piece we produced for Gray Television, and in doing so I found this forum from this antique automobile collectors. And this guy was on there giving this entire history of the site, and then he shows the letters from the front of the plant.
Basically, my partner Tim McNeil was in Hershey, Pennsylvania at a car swap meet, and came across the letters, and he recognized them right away. And as a huge collector that he is, he knew that we would want them for our shop. So that's the short and long story of that.
I went to Gray Television President Hilton Howe, who's the one who told me he wanted these letters, and he said to pay the price. So now they're being delivered here back home to the site of the former General Motors assembly plant in Doraville, Georgia.
You know, it's the history of the site, and it's just such great serendipity that, you know, you would have actually found them here in Georgia. It's just really a special thing. We'll obviously take them and you know, bring them up to 21st century standards, make them really special. And I'm sure that with the movies and the TV shows that are going to be shot here, that those letters are going to be perpetuated in film forever going forward. So I think they're going to be a great backdrop for a lot of things.
The value was to return it to the greater good where more people could see it,